it's just so good. So good all the time. Okay, let's pull it together. You're starting the vlog, Megan. Okay. Good morning, you guys. Sorry I look like I've been crying because I have, but it's not a bad cry. It was a good cry. So I'm gonna try something out. Let me know if you guys are cool with it. Comment down below, really let me know. But I've been really thinking about this. So on Snap, yes, I'm annoying. I still do Snapchat streaks and I'm always like, good morning, babies. So how about being like, good morning, my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's Megan. If you're new here, subscribe down below. So today is the long-awaited what I eat in a day. So I have a workout at 11, so I'm going to drink a Celsius, and I'm gonna show you guys my favorite flavor besides the grape one. Peach mango green tea, no thanks. Peach mango, here's just another one. See, I was trying to do something really cute there. However, my favorite flavor of Celsius, other than the grape one, is grapefruit melon green tea. So this one is non-carbonated, but the other one's carbonated. So if you just want like a pick-me-up that doesn't feel like a rush, if that makes sense, I would choose this one. So it's grapefruit melon green tea, and it literally tastes like a drink from Starbucks. Oh. It literally just tastes like tea, but it's gonna give me all the energy I need. Celsius is a healthy energy, accelerates your metabolism, and burns fat, which is everything I want to do, so. And it's no sugar and no preservative, but it's so good. Literally the only ingredients are filtered water, citric acid, natural flavor, vegetable juice for color, and sucralose. That's probably not good. Oh well. Hey guys, I just finished my workout. I'm a little bit out of breath. I burnt 494 calories, 69 minutes of exercise. So I did about 45 minutes on the treadmill, and then I did about 20 minutes of abs, legs, and a little bit of resistance bands for the glutes. So that was my little workout routine. My ab routine is kind of going good so far, but it could be better. So I'll let you guys know when I have it all down packed. And yes, I have a little tripod now. I actually found this in my room when I used to be a vlogger back in high school. We're back, baby, with better content. So for my first meal of the day, I am making oats. This is going to be the most fire lineup you'll ever see for oatmeal. So I just have gluten-free rolled oats, some peanut butter, some dates, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, frozen blueberries, normal blueberries, and a banana. I don't measure things because then I get obsessive and then eating disordered behavior starts kicking back in, and I don't like that and I don't want it. I take 1 spoon and then I just put it in my bowl dry. 2 spoons, and then a little bit more. So then you just take a little pot. I literally don't measure anything anymore. So I just pour like that much almond milk, and then I turn on the stove to high, and then I boil some water. So what goes in the oats as it's cooking is going to be dates for sweetness, and then I'm gonna put some cinnamon, a dash of salt because my friend Matthew said it was good. I don't know if I noticed a difference, but I just kept doing it. And then I put the frozen blueberries into the oats as it's cooking because I tried it on top and I didn't like the consistency. It wasn't hitting for me. So I put the fresh ones on top, and then I put the frozen ones in it, so then it makes it all blueberry cinnamony deliciousness. So this is my oatmeal, you guys. It's just peanut butter, blueberry oats, blueberries, and banana, and I sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar on top just for like a little maple brown sugar type of oatmeal feel because I used to love that as a kid, and it's super healthy and really, really delicious. My lashes look really good today. L'Oreal Telescopic. So this is the lineup for dinner. I'm gonna be making like a little protein packed veggie bowl. So we have garbanzo beans, veganese, mushrooms, a tomato, half an avocado, minced garlic, chicken strips, corn, and mixed vegetables. So basically I'm gonna defrost all those, cut up mushrooms, tomato, cook these in like a little spicy thing that I make, and then add avocado on top of it all. And then I add a little bit of veganese at the end to make it all creamy, and it's cooked in garlic. Always make sure to wash your veggies. I just washed mine. For my spicy chickpeas, I put some sriracha. I use a little bit of garlic salt, just like a very teensy tiny little bit. Some Italian seasoning, and then a bunch of crushed red pepper flakes. So all of that makes them get kind of red, and then I just let them simmer a little bit and just toss it around like this so then it gets kind of crispy. And then that's how I make my little spicy chickpeas. And these literally make the meal taste so fire, I swear. So this is the finished product. Vegan chicken, chickpeas, avocado, tomato, all on top of a bed of vegetables. And it's so yummy. And when I mix it all together, I just put in a little bit of this and it makes it all super creamy. So this is what it looks like when you mix it all together and mix in the veganese. It just gets so much creamier and it's so delicious. I know it looks kind of gross, but just trust me. So that's pretty much all that I eat in a day. And I might have like a slice of sourdough bread with some olive oil if I'm feeling up for it later, but that's mainly like a snack for me. So I mainly eat like 2 normal sized meals and then dark chocolate and like snack. But I wasn't really feeling in the snacky mood today, so that's what I have. And I do intermittent fasting, so I have my first meal after 12, and I normally finish eating between 6 to 8, depending on the day. So I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me a lot. And comment down below any other video ideas you have for me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, join the fam. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post my workouts, my meals, selfies, etc. And I love you all so much, and thank you again. See you next time. Bye.